In this video, I will walk you through all the necessary products that you need to have as a lash artist. First, I'm gonna start with a Barbicide solution. I use this to disinfect all my tweezers. That will help you to get away from any bacteria. And what I do, I just mix a little bit, a tablespoon of Barbicide with water and just leave the tweezers for at least 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, you can just rinse them and put them back in a clean space. Second, I'm gonna show you the alcohol, which I use this in a spray bottle and just spray all the area where I work after each client. And obviously the hand sanitizer that I use this, I will say every 15-20 minutes. Also, I have a foam bottle right here with a lash cleanser. What I do is I mix a tablespoon of Aveno cleanser and just fill it up with water, and you can clean the lashes right before you start the full set. And I use this brush for washing the lashes. You can also use a mini fan to dry the lashes, and then you can start the process of applying eyelash extensions. After you've done all the cleansing part, you can use the eyelash primer with those micro swab and just go on each lash so you can make sure there is no residue or any oil left on the eyelash. After we're done priming, we go ahead with the foam tape. I use either foam tape or either those gel pads. I will say that I love more the foam tape just because it's very sticky to the skin. This one sometimes can go right on your client eyes, so that will cause a little irritation to the eyes. So you have to make sure that the pad is set in a right position. I will also attach a picture so you can see how I apply this pad under the eyes. And I also use those alcohol pads to sanitize my tweezers every 15-20 minutes. Like I said, exactly the same way with the hand sanitizer. So every 20 minutes, I like to disinfect my tweezers with the alcohol pads, and then I like to wash my hands, sanitize my hands, and I like to spray the alcohol right on my area. This is something that I do on every single client. On the supplies, I like the tray glue. I buy everything from almost all the disposable products from Amazon, so you can use this as much as you want. I like to put every drop on every 15 minutes, so you can use this, I will say, for like a set or 2 sets almost. And also I have this little hold glue that you can use just one time. You can put the glue right on the middle, and then those little parts I'm not sure if you can actually see those little sides, you can actually fix your fans. I have the surgical tape. I like to use this under the bottom lashes, so I can, if any of the lashes are outside, you can also tape them so you don't have any problem to stick them with the top lashes. And I also use this for holding the eyelids when you need to. Now I have those mascara ones, the brushes, that I like to cover them. You can have them in your bag, you can put them wherever you want, as long as they are covered. This is actually a paper straw that you can cut them and just cover your brushes. And also I have this lint-free applicators that you can easily clean your lashes and the lash line as well. They are lint-free, so you don't have to worry of any cotton or anything like that going into your eyelashes. Now I'm using this glue. It is from Lashbox, but as of right now, this is my favorite one. It has 1 second dry, which is very good with my fans, works great. We all know that all the glues are made from cyanoacrylate that helps to bond and cure the lashes. Now, we have to have a mask every single time when we apply lashes, when we do any kind of sets, because like I said, we all know that glue is made from cyanoacrylate, so we have to keep the distance from the glue and obviously not breathing on our client's face. And also I have this hair cover, so I can just put this on top of client's hair, so I don't really need to touch their hair. Mini fan. And now I'm gonna go through on each tweezer. So my favorite tweezer for volume is this one right here, which is very curved, and you can see that the tip is very, very long. So I can do a mega volume with this. I will say between 7 to 20 lashes. This is my favorite. And then I have my Extreme Lashes tweezer for isolation. I use this every single time, even if I have a classic or full volume or a mega volume. The next one, I like this one, is for volume as well, but you can see that the tip is very, very short. So I like to grab, I will say 2-3 lashes. So I cannot make more than 2-3 fans because the tip is very short, so it's not gonna hold more than 2-3 lashes. And I have this one, same for volume. This has a long tip, so you can actually do a mega volume with. This is my favorite one right now too. I'm so excited to show you how I create all my fans with all of them. And then I have the last one, well, it's not the last one. I have this one from Extreme as well. This is very, very curved. Even the tip is very curved. I do all my light volume with this. I will say 2, 3, and 4 this. Not more. You cannot grab more just because the tip is very, very short. And the last one, this is from Sassy Lashes. You can see that the tip is very short too, but what I like that it has a long, this is the longest that I have. And you can do 3, 4, 5 this, not more, because the tip is very short, so you cannot grab more than that. You can see my whole tweezers, which can help me to keep everything nice and organized. So this is all I have for Lash products. I'm so excited to show you how I create my fans, how I start my classic set, and how I do the volume sets. So stay tuned for the next video.